Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. Welcome to the new week. Hope you enjoyed last week's online session. In 4th B, the number of participants, the number of students are bit lower than 4th A. So next time when you are attending classes, make sure कि आप सब थर्सडे को क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं 4th B, right? See, what happens is if you are in the live classes, we can interact more. We can talk with each other. You can see me live. I can ask you questions. You can give me answers. This video is just a framework. माने वहाँ पे there is no chance of interaction. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट हो रहा है तो इधर यू हैव टू कॉल मी और यू नीड टू टेक्स्ट मी अप. बट वेयर इज जब हम बात कर रहे हैं वीडियो लेसन्स की, ऑनलाइन लेसन्स की, दैट टाइम इट इज़ one-on-one डिस्कशन. आई कैन सी वॉट यू आर डूइंग. You can talk with me, you can ask me your queries, you can find out the solutions then and there, and it is sort of a good concept so that we all be together and we will try and learn something new. All right, so make sure that you attend your classes on a regular basis. Clear? Chaliye, now talking about today's session. Now, let us start with today's session. Last week, we started chapter number 8, that is the last chapter for this syllabus, PA2, right? We started an introductory level. We completed a couple of exercises. Now, today, let us see what we are going to do. Today, I will be reading the chapter and will give you a brief knowledge about the chapter. माने chapter में क्या है उसके बारे में I'll give you some knowledge. Homework would be to read the chapter plus underline the new words. Clear? You have to read the chapter and you have to underline the new words. Make sure that when the homework is given to read, you are reading. Reading will make you more active in speaking. Clear? Chale, I hope you all will read. So today's homework would be reading chapter number 8 and today's classwork is loud reading of chapter number 8 that I'll do. So what you guys will do is आपका वीडियो देखते देखते आप सामने रखें. मेरा voice should be audible to you and you put your finger on what I'm reading. Right? Chaliye, let us begin with today's session. Okay. So can you see chapter number 8, Adventure, that is the unit's name, and Sinbad and the Strange Island. It is not Iceland, it is island. Right? So that is the chapter's name. We have already done couple of exercises, phonic forms and all. Chaliye, let us read the chapter. It is on page number 120. Put your finger on what I am reading. Once, Sinbad and his sailors were sailing in search of new lands and treasures. After 7 days and 7 nights of sailing, they found nothing. There was water in every direction as far as the eye could see. Then, one afternoon, a crew member cried, "Land ahoy!" He was pointing to his right. The other sailors looked where he was pointing. The sailors at once cheered up on seeing a small island in that direction. They were surprised because no one had seen an island in this part of the sea. The island was a joy to behold. It was covered with small bushes, big trees, and rare plants. They promptly dropped anchor near the island. Sinbad, along with a handful of sailors, took a small boat and rowed towards the island. The rest of the sailors and the captain chose to stay on the boat. They were being cautious. What is this? Cautious. Cautious meaning they are being careful, right? Cautious is synonym of careful. Cautious. 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 On arriving, the sailors saw no animals on the island. One of the sailors said, "It's clear the island is ours. Let us name it. Leave it for later. First, we will cook. I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse," exclaimed Sinbad. The sailors began collecting wood to start the fire. Sinbad wanted to collect herbs to put in his dish. He went inside a dense forest. Strange, he said. He saw plants with pear-shaped fruits, trees with blue and yellow leaves, and flowers much bigger than a human. The forest had so many exotic plants. What is it? Exotic. Exotic means unusual, different hota hai jo wo. Exotic plants and flowers that Sinbad did not know where to start. He went to the nearest flower and smelled it. Phew! It is such a pretty flower, but it smells so bad. Oh, look at that one. He went to another plant and plucked its leaf. I wonder what it tastes like, he said to himself. He bit the leaf gingerly. Gingerly means thoda sa, carefully, very small part. Wow, I'm definitely taking this back, he said. After some time in the forest, he realized that something was off. This forest is awfully quiet. Where are the birds and the animals? He realized that it was getting late. So he made his way back to the sailors. After collecting the firewood, the sailors made a camp. They arranged the firewood and sat around it. Sinbad returned with his herbs, looking pleased as Punch. He told them to light a fire. Little did they know that they were kicking a hornet's nest. As soon as they lit the fire, the island began to shake. All men on the island thought that it was an earthquake. All of a sudden, the sailors on the ship started shouting, "Run for your lives! Get back to the ship!" Sinbad thought they had lost their minds. Then he noticed that the island was moving. The waves getting bigger, the ship was also moving away from the island. He was at his wits' end. Not knowing what to do, he ran for dear life. He was running when he remembered the boat. He called the other sailors. "To the boat! Hurry! To the boat!" Once they were in the safety of the boat, they saw that the island was not an island at all. It was a giant fish. They all watched bug eyed as the fish started flapping its fins. Its fins were making huge waves. It raised its tails, fin and dove underwater. The sailors could not believe their eyes. Sinbad remarked, "It must be sleeping earlier. We were all on its back, and somehow we woke it up." As the giant fish dove, it made a huge whirlpool. The sailors rowed with all their might to get away from it. Some of them even used their hands and arms as oars. OARS, oars. Oars माने जो चप्पू चलाते ना बोट में, वो चप्पू. They wanted to get back to the safety of the ship. But sadly, their ship was nowhere to be seen. It had steered away from them. The sailors in the ship were so terrified of the giant fish that they had left their men behind. Sinbad and the other men had nowhere to go now. The next morning, Sinbad spotted a ship sailing in the distance. He yelled, "Help! Help!" The rest of the men tried to signal the ship for help. Some of them were waving their arms, while some were waving their jackets like flags. However, the ship's crew did not notice them. Then Sinbad pulled out his new shining sword. He used it like a mirror and shone it in the direction of the ship. At last, the ship's crew noticed them and pulled them aboard. So, children, this is the chapter. What does the chapter say? चैप्टर में जो मैंने रीड किया उससे क्या पता चलता है? I'll give you some brief idea about what is exactly the chapter about. The chapter is about a sailor named Sinbad. He is going on a voyage. What is voyage? Voyage means जो पानी में undefined जो trip होती है, means you don't know where you are going. You know, you are going in search of things and all, but you don't know exactly the location. So that is known as voyage, especially done on the water, in the water. Now, Sinbad goes for a voyage and they were lost. So one fine day, they found an island and they stepped down on the island. They started collecting the woods. They wanted to make food for everyone. So they explored the place. To his surprise, Sinbad देखता है कि वहाँ पे there are flowers of having size of human. माने human जितने बड़े बड़े flowers were there. You can see this picture. Right? And the leaves were purple and blue. Again, further on thinking, he noticed that it is very silent, peaceful. So he wondered कि यहाँ पे animals या birds या कुछ है क्यों नहीं? Generally forest में क्या होता है? There are animals around and birds chirping around and all. So he found that something is odd. thinking about that, he came back to his friends, colleagues, and they started to lit the fire. As soon as they lit the fire, there was an earthquake. Yeah, जमीन नीचे shake करने लगी. And they started running. To their surprise, the ship जो कैप्टन के साथ साइड में खड़ी थी, they also started shouting, run, 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 and the ship left this people, सिंबाद के साथ जो sailors थे वो सारे वहीं रह गए. अचानक they realized, Sinbad realized that there is a boat, and he told his sailors to jump into the boat. They started rowing the boats with their oars. As I told you, oars, OARS. Oars means चप्पू, जिससे हम boats चलाते हैं. So they row their boats day and night. Next day, he finds a big ship nearby. So उसको बुलाने के लिए, उसको help के लिए बुलाने के लिए, they use the sign. See, पानी में voice is not that audible because of the wind which is blowing very fast, right? So you need to give them signals. That is the reason आप अगर शी शोर पे देखोगे वहाँ पे सिग्नल करते हुए लैम्प्स होते हैं, right? So they started giving the signals. Somebody moved their jackets and they start rolling it. Somebody shouted, but the ship was not getting the noise of these people. At that time, Sinbad thought of an idea, और उसने अपनी sword निकाली. Now, what is sword? SWORD. Sword is तलवार. He took out his sword and उसने सन के सामने, आप बहुत बार करते हो, पता है, वॉच का जो द मिरर होता है, राइट, उसको आप सन के डायरेक्शन में रखते हो तो उसमें से एक लाइट स्ट्राइक होती है ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन पे, राइट. सो ही ऑल्सो डिड द सेम थिंग. बिकॉज द स्वॉर्ड वॉज वेरी न्यू, इट रिफ्लेक्टेड द लाइट ऑफ सन. तो उसने ऐसी पोजिशन पे रखा कि उसका जो रिफ्लेक्शन था वो बड़ी वाली शिप पे पड़ा. एंड द पीपल ओवर देयर रिकॉग्नाइज कि वहां पे कोई है. क्लियर? चले, दिस वॉज द ब्रीफिंग ऑफ द चैप्टर. Tomorrow I would be explaining, I will be starting the explanation of this chapter. So आज आप क्या करेंगे? What we will guys will do today? As I told you, today you will read this chapter once again. I read this chapter, but आपको भी एक बार read करना पड़ेगा. After reading, underline the new words and write the new words in your notebook. Right? Write the new words in the notebook. Clear? Chapter read करके new words को underline करके new words को आपको लिखना है notebook में. Clear? चलिए, so tomorrow I'll be explaining the chapter. So till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy your day and study well. The more you will study, the more it would be helpful to you only. Clear? So keep studying, keep reading. Take care. Bye bye.